What up, everybody? I'm kicking it. Just want to let you guys know I'm still here. Still working on the craft. I got the G35's battery switched out. So I just got this thing in here, still hella dirty. But we're back on the road with this thing. Still got those tail lights back there. Cleaned up a little bit. This car was sitting there for a long time. But I got a Duralast battery from AutoZone. Picked it up for a couple $100. And I swapped it out real quick. Real quick rundown on the batteries. When you guys take your battery off, you guys take off your black boots. And then you take off your red socks. And when you guys put the new one in, flip it around, you put your socks on first, and then your black boots. And this is the Duralast battery I got. There's all the specs right there for you guys. But I just want to give you guys a quick little update, let you guys know I'm still here. Got the Q50 sitting over there. I'm gonna start cleaning this up. Get this thing looking nice again. What's up, J.I. Beats? What up, bro? Where you at, homie? Yeah, I'm psyched to get this thing started back up. Start working on this again. I'll keep you guys updated. You guys stay in the loop, bro. Everybody that's locked in, you guys better be watching my shit, bro. Go watch all my old videos. Alright? Alright, I'll see y'all later. Peace.